boots that came out of nowhere. They ride crazy around there. He just weaved all up through that stuff. Like, no thanks. We're using two different navigation systems. I'm using Waze, he's using Naver or however you say it. But yeah, here in Korea you can't use Google Maps or Apple Maps or anything. It doesn't work. So you have to use Waze and some of the other Kakao maps and some of the other ones they have. But Waze is okay. I like it. The user interface is more user friendly, but it's not as accurate as some of the other ones. So his is saying go one way and mine is saying go this way. Tell you one thing, there is an abundance of tunnels here. It's Saturday, the traffic's gonna be terrible here. Yeah, all over. Every time we come up here, the traffic's always bad. You see that guy on the Busa? I was like, no, we're good. Friends! Rawr. Nope. Let me scoot forward a little bit here. What's up? I don't know. Huh? Oh, I don't know. Thank you. How nice of him. Because I sure would not have figured that out. So normally when I get gas on the military base. Everything is easy and normal, and everything's in English. This is a little bit different. It's a first for everything. That guy was a lifesaver. He's always trying to wave to people. Nobody wants to wave at you. Kill switch. What's up, guys? It's me, Eric B, and it was a nice little ride, not too bad, but every single time I come to this place there is a crap ton of traffic. Like, it never fails, but we come on a weekend and there's just a lot more people, a lot more traffic once you start getting you know, up towards Seoul and everything. But yeah, if you guys are liking the content and liking what you're seeing, be sure to give your boy a like. If you're new to the channel, as always, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.